The second type of plan is strategy. Again, it is neither a single use and nor the standing plan. It is a comprehensive plan to achieve the organizational objectives. That means it is the part of core planning, we can say, in other word, that for objective also and for strategy also, we can just say that objectives and strategy both are neither single use plan nor the standing plan, but it can be a part of core planning because it is done by the top level managers. So it is a comprehensive plan. Strategy is a comprehensive plan to achieve the organizational objectives. The various dimensions of strategies are as follows. It determines the long-term objectives. It helps in adopting a particular course of action. It allocates the resources for achieving the objectives. We usually engage ourselves in playing games like cricket or football or something, even if we are playing indoor games also. So what we are doing before the game begins, we make certain plans or we make the strategies in order to achieve the objective. So what the strategy is doing, strategy is helping the plan to achieve the objectives. If we see the game of cricket, if we see football, if we see lawn tennis, if we see badminton, if we look upon each and every type of game, so every game is having certain strategies. For an example, few weeks back I have shared you with a video of making of Dangal. There they have used various kind of strategies. They have used various comprehensive plan to achieve the overall objective of the organization. They have determined their long-term objectives also. They adopted a particular course of action. They allocated the resource for achieving the objective. So strategy formulation is the task of top level people, and it is must to scan and understand clearly the business environment before framing the strategy. The common decisions in strategies are whether to introduce a new product or not. If to introduce, then how, kaise, the first thing. The second one is finding out customer for your products. Third thing, making changes in existing products, and so on. So all the strategic decisions are greatly influenced by the business environment. So strategy defines the future decisions regarding